Here is the script. If we are you, we import numbers. Well here, written down, str. The data type is str, or string. So how? If we change this data type, yeah, according to that we want. But first, I'll try to prove it to you. The guys, that everything we inputted by number or text, it remains the data type, store or string. Let's try to prove. For example, it was already a number. This is text. Well, the data type remains string. Numbers are still the data type string. Text also. Str not like that. So if we want to change the data type, for example, we inputted it a number, then it should be int. Yeah, and data type. Then here we add the data type int. Like this. Don't forget to press Ctrl+S. Yeah. Let's try to RU. I put it in. Numbers, yeah. Well, like that. Then he will appear int. But had I put text, as I enter the text, then he will error. Like this, because we have restricted it, that the data type is int or integer. Okay, next. If we do the sums, yeah, for example, we want to sum this variable. Yeah, like that. Don't forget Ctrl+S. Where are you? Well, here we have to add the script so that can be added here. Ctrl+S. This line. This one, yeah, that's it. We input the number to be summed, which is 10, yeah. So here are the results. 10 plus 10, 20. Well, like that. But if we didn't create the data type, we don't make like this, the data type. We try. Are you? Then he will be writ 10, 10. Like this. He will be read as store or string. Then it is necessary, if we want to add, perform summation operations, then we need it. Data types, for example, int like that. Well, the result is like this. Thanks, hopefully tutorial. This is useful.